If the time taken by a train to pass a signpost is 10 seconds when it is traveling at a uniform speed of 54 km per hour, find the length of the train. So we know the speed and the time taken. So we are going to find the length of the train. That means here this is our signpost. This is our signpost. So train is coming from here. The time, let's consider time was taken when the engine of the train overlapped with the signpost, the thickness of signpost. So this is the length of the train. Now we will consider here the time is 0. To entirely cross this signboard, so this is the initial location when the train is, and after passing, okay, after passing this one would be here, okay, this one would be here, in again here, passing, likewise until it entirely crossed the bridge. It was taken around 10 seconds. Try to understand this scenario clearly. First the engine passed, then remaining compartments still in behind, so again little fast, again fast, and until it entirely crossed this signboard, it was taken around 10 seconds. That is the time. So first of all, speed, distance, time. Speed and distance both are in different units. The time is in seconds, but the speed is in kilometer per hour. So definitely we need to convert the kilometer per hour to meter per second. I will do that one here. 54 kilometer per hour to meter per second. So 54 kilometer, it should be divided by 1 half. 54 times 1000. 54 times 1000 meter, it should be divided by 3600 seconds. We can simplify this. 54 and 32, it can be simplified by using number 18. 2 times, here 3 times. The final answer, 2 and 10, it can be simplified 1 time, 5 times. I'll show the simplification once more. First I simplified these 0 digits, and 36 and 54 were simplified by using 18 multiples. 2 times of 18, 32. 3 times of 18, 54. Thereafter there is a 10 remaining here. 2, this 2 and 10 simplified by using number 2. So 1 time, here 5 times. Finally in denominator we just have 1 second. So the speed in meter per second, 3 times of 5, 15 meter per second. 15 meter per second. Mostly students misconclude these things. They might think if the unit is in kilometer per hour, 54 kilometer per hour, when we convert this to meter per second, directly they will write it as 54 meter per second. But that is incorrect, because the conversion for kilometer 1:1000, but hour to second, that is 1:3600. There is a difference, considerable amount of difference between those. So this is incorrect. Definitely for kilometer you have to do the unit conversion separately. For hour, another separate unit conversion before finalizing the answer. Now we found the speed, which is 15 meter per second. So we are going to find the distance, that means the length of this particular train, divided by time, 10 seconds. Then to find distance, I need to do just the cross multiplication. 15 meter per second, it has to be multiplied with 10 seconds. Second inverse 1, second simplified, 15 meters into 10 times, that would be 150 meters. Finally 150 meters. First what we did, unit conversion, kilometer per hour to meter per second. Thereafter substitute in the formula to simple calculations. To finalize, the distance it covered was 150 meters. That means this is the length of the train. Length of the train.